This video is part of an adult beverage collab that is hosted by Wanda from Miss Amaechi, or you can check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All, and they will be linked in my description box down below, as well as the playlist. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the sponsorship that I got from Javy Coffee. So they messaged me and asked me to do a review and give my honest opinion and show you all the reason why you should purchase this coffee concentrate. So for those of you who are an old subscriber and you're coming back, thanks for coming back. But if you know me, you know that I love to make iced coffees. You know that I like coffee, period. I just love coffee. As a teacher, I need coffee to keep me going and to get my morning rolling, whether I'm at school, whether I'm at home. So they sent me the coffee to try. And so I have the box here. Let's go ahead and open it up. So in my box, it comes in a bag and I can easily open it. It is bubble wrapped just so that it does not break. So here is our bottle of the Javy coffee concentrate. On the front of this bottle, it says it can be served as hot or cold and that it makes 30 servings. So when you got Javy, you've got just a little bit of magic that helps you get a lot more done. So there's 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving. You can make it hot, you can make it cold. And once you open this, keep this in your refrigerator for up to 6 weeks after opening. On the back of the bottle, it also tells you, as well as on the instructions, that you are going to want to fill your cup with water or milk. You can use oat milk, you guys can use almond milk, it's totally up to you, or you can just use water. You also want to drop 1 teaspoon of the Javy into the water or the milk, and then you can add your favorite flavoring, creamer, or toppings. So without further ado, let's just get ready to go jump right into this kitchen and make an iced coffee first. So you go ahead and get your ice out. Not only are you going to need ice, you're also going to need coffee creamer, and you can use milk, water, or plant-based oat milk. You also can use some toppings such as the non-dairy Ready Whip, and you can use other toppings such as sprinkles and things like that. And also you're going to need your Javy coffee. So let's go ahead and get started by grabbing a cup, opening it up, putting your ice in. You can use a couple pieces of ice. You can also use more than a couple. It's totally up to you. You're going to go ahead and take your 1 teaspoon and you're going to add in that 1 teaspoon of the Javy coffee concentrate mix into your cup on top of your ice. You can choose to do 1 teaspoon or you can choose to do 2. After doing that, go ahead and measure out 6 ounces of either oat milk, regular milk, or water. So for today, I'm going to be measuring water because that's what I want to add in. I do alternate from time to time throughout the week using oat milk, water, and regular milk. And so I'm going to go ahead and add in my coffee creamer of my choice, which is the extra Dunkin' Donuts coffee creamer, and then go ahead and mix it up. You also can take caramel syrup on the inside of this before you put the ice, or the white chocolate mocha sauce, and go ahead and top it off with your whipped topping. And there you have it. Here is your very own quickly made under 5 minutes iced coffee. Okay, so let's give it a try. This is definitely one of my favorites. I love making these in the morning. especially when I need to go to work and teach. I don't have time to turn the machines on, and I don't have much time to make an actual iced coffee, but using the Javy coffee concentrate, I do. I would like to thank them for sending me this and sponsoring this video. Okay, so without further ado, if you're looking for a dairy-free recipe, I'm gonna show you. Look no further. This is another great Javy coffee concentrate recipe. All you need is the bottle. Here's the bottle. So yeah, there are other things that we're gonna need for this recipe, such as 2 ripe bananas, as well as some sugar, vanilla extract, and the plant-based milk oatmeal, and some ice cubes and some ground cinnamon. Let's do it. So let me just say that if you're looking for a dairy-free, plant-based alternative to enjoy your dairy fix of coffee, this definitely might be the right thing for you. This recipe can be called a coffee smoothie, a banana cafe frappe, or even a dairy-free frappuccino. So no matter the name, the cool drink is a delicious option for any coffee lover. Okay, so I finally have everything I need. I just have to get it together. Okay, so some of the items that I needed was vanilla, sugar, cinnamon, Javy coffee concentrate, the oat milk, and 2 ripe bananas. I also pulled out some measuring spoons just in case I needed them. I went ahead and pulled out my blender, and I wanted to get started by making this smoothie. So first things first, I went ahead and put in the 1/4 teaspoon of the vanilla. I added in 1 to 2 teaspoons of the sugar. I added in the 2 ripe bananas. And then from there, I went ahead and added in 1.5 cups of the plant-based oat milk. And this is vanilla flavored, so it's actually going to give it that extra flavoring. And then I went ahead and poured that into my blender. My blender is a Magic Bullet, and it is a little smaller than you think. It definitely blends smaller smoothies, but I know how to make this work. So I added in the cinnamon into the smoothie because that's what I wanted to do instead of putting it on top. I went ahead and closed it up, put it into the blender, and then I wanted to make sure that I was blending both of the, basically half of the smoothie. So I put it into this cup here. And I'm going to show you guys how to mix it up if your blender is too small. So go ahead and empty out like some of it into another cup, and then go ahead and add in your ice and your Javy into the mixture as well. Go ahead and seal it back up, put it back on the smoothie blender, and then go ahead and let all of that ice get broken up. And then go ahead and transfer it to your other cup. That way you can make sure that both are mixed very well and mixed up together. Let's see what I honestly think. Oh my God. I normally don't do banana smoothies, but this one right here definitely tastes good. I could use this like after I'm working out. I could definitely drink this in the morning time instead of like trying to find something to eat, or like drink this to hold me until I'm ready to eat. I can taste the cinnamon in there, which is really good. Yeah, this is amazing. I would try this any day. So one thing I can say about Javy coffee is that one of the things that makes me really happy is that it can be made hot or cold. It also can be made into many different things. A lot of things that you guys won't see is that it can be made into things such as lattes, milkshakes, iced coffees, bites. It can be made into boozes. It can be made hot. They have plenty of different recipes. It can also be iced, and it could be just used for a little bit of anything that you put your mind to and you create. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I would like to give a thank you to Javy for sponsoring this video. And I also hope that you guys use the code that is in my description box down below to order yours, because not only do they give out promos and deals sometimes, definitely check it out and give just one bottle a try first if that's what you feel. And then once you try one, you're not going to want to stop. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And like I said, go in my description box down below, and the code is right here as well to use at checkout. Don't forget to check out the playlist link to my description box down below.